The Shade Auto Smooth option has been replaced in Blender 4.1 by Shade Smooth by Angle. The result is the same, except you can choose whether it keeps previously marked sharp edges or not. Also, despite it still being a destructive method, it now marks the sharp edges for you, which can be convenient later. With Shade Smooth enabled, any edges marked sharp will appear as such. Additionally, you now have a new non-destructive method of shading smooth by angle, and this is the Smooth by Angle modifier. For this to work, Shade Smooth needs to be enabled. This also lets you choose the angle under which things need to be smooth, and like with the previous method, you can choose to include previously marked sharp edges. This modifier replaces the Normals option that we had previously, where you could also set the angle value. So while that option is gone, we now have a more functional, destructive, as well as non-destructive GeoNodes modifier based method for shading auto smooth.